Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, sunroof, hill descent control, trailer brake controller, bed liner, SLT preferred equipment group, fog lamps, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, power outlet. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.